up too early just to lose some more sleep. I've been hiding from my pride, well, I'm looking for a change. Oh, but what if I change my
so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
Hey guys, welcome. So I'm making breakfast and just frying the sausages and the rest. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Chonarek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in my lifestyle and all, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, I'm just making breakfast. You are spending the day with me. This is my daily routine as a stay-at-home mom living in Nigeria, Abuja. Yeah, so this is my healthy way of me making my own breakfast, sausages and eggs, and I'm going to be using some spinach as well. So I'm just going to allow this to cook, and we'll get to the next stuff, which is we stepping out of the house. Okay, so please do well to watch till the end. Yeah, and if you've not subscribed, you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is me serving the food that I'm gonna eat. I'll show you guys another method to eat this nutritious egg sauce. Yeah, you're going to be using bread to eat this, but it's going to be a grilled bread, so keep on watching just for you to find out. Okay, this is my breakfast. Yeah, this looks so healthy and very so guys, here is another method. I just put the egg sauce inside the bread, then I will pan fry this, like kind of grill this. This is so crunchy. Like guys, I put butter on top of it, unsalted butter on top of it. This is the end.
dancing with your ghosts. You're the missing piece of my soul. I know it scares you to come out of the shadows, but I'll hold your hand and I won't let you go. Walking there along the beach.
Okay.
Waters I have never seen. Scream secrets to the
Mia, say bye.
I'm the picture
Mia,
on your
say that bye bye.
screen.
No. Okay. Enter. So fam, right now we are on our way out. I want to go to the market, so I had to take my daughter to my sister's house for her to stay with my sister so I can go to the market. It's not easy being a mom and you are not able to have help to help you hold your child so you can do other stuff. You just have to do it by yourself. So I just had to take her to my sister's place so I can go to the market. The market vlog will be coming up after this video. Please do well to check it out. That will be a real unedited realistic market vlog. So when I got back from the market, my sister decided to she cooked rice, and this is my portion of rice, and her friend will start to hype her about the food. So please keep giving me wine. Kai, Jesus. This is when you come to your sister's house, so daily
I even look like
daily case.
your like sleeping. Don't chop swallow. They sleep. So guys, like this food is the bomb. I'm eating this food with no filter, with no ribbon on, and I'm eating it with my hand. That is to show you how delicious this food is from Wendy's Cuisine. I don't care about any other chef. It tastes so good. I just can't help it. I have to remove my shirt so that I could eat the Wendy's Cuisine, you get the best food delivered to worldwide. You know, and this chicken, guys, fucking tasty.
Oh my god.
I love it. Thank you. I love it.
So for my slay queens, then we are selling bags. These are designer bags, okay? These bags are quite affordable. Just slide into my DM and I'll let you know the cost of the bags. Like, you can pick anyone. Some of them comes with to match slippers, okay? So this is me. I just go back from my sister's place and I'm so tired and all, but you just still need to do other stuff, which is cleaning of the house, because after I did my market unveiling of everything I got from the market vlog, the whole house was kind of dirty because of the things I got from the market. So I had to just like tidy up the house, and I got back from my sister's place around Takai 7ish, 6-7 because of traffic. Yeah, so just me dancing and trying to sweep the house, because as I said earlier on, music gives me strength. No matter how tired I am, when I start listening to music, I have that energy to finish my chores. Yeah, so baby girl is just following me from Baba to Baba, as you guys know now. So after that, I decided to prep the stuff I'm going to use to cook the soup for tomorrow, because I did not cook the soup that stew that night because I cannot come and kill myself, I beg. So I'm just going to prep everything that I'll use for the next day, which is the pepper, tomato, tatashi, and blend them as well, and wash the meat and do every other stuff I need to do, so that the next day it will be easier for me to do my work.
What he say to me? He will say you'll be alright if you know where to turn to. You lose this fight if you don't ever learn to keep it in balance and always know you can only get higher if you've been low. You say you'll be alright if you live in the moment. Don't give up on life, it's your only opponent. You can only be honest. I'm making this promise. You say you'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
so comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do.
So I also blended the crayfish as well. I blended the crayfish, all the crayfish I got, I blended it just for it to be easier for me when I want to cook food. I don't need to start blending crayfish again. So this just me pouring it in my jar. And baby girl, I did plantain for baby girl because she was hungry so that she can eat, and I can do the rest of the work I'm doing.
With you, I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby, and all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you.
So I'm done blending the tomatoes, tatashi, pepper. I added onions, ginger, and garlic. So I'm just going to cook this, and so the next day it will be easier for me. So I'm making dinner for hubby because Oga has to eat. Yeah, so I'm just doing some stir frying noodles for him. Onions, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper. That is what is inside here. Then I'll add the indomie spices, add the indomie and also sausage. I cooked egg for him as well. Then I'll mix everything together. This is like a fried noodles. Yeah, he loves fried noodles, and I added a little bit of fresh pepper inside, and that's his dinner for today, guys. Motherhood is not easy, but we move forward. Yeah, guys, so this is just me turning everything and mixing everything, and please keep on watching the rest of the video. We are almost to the end of this video. Yeah, please keep on watching. If you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Fam, I have noticed that some people that are watching my video, you are not subscribed yet though. Please subscribe, let this channel grow. I want this channel to reach 5k before December, and I pray it's possible. Okay, we are almost there, so please do well to share me out as well. So this is what the noodles looks like, guys. What do you guys think? Looks so inviting, right? Yeah, so please keep on. So after cooking, I clean up the kitchen. Those dishes will air dry. Today I'm not going to put them inside where they're supposed to be. They will lay there and air dry because baby girl is already, I'm already tired. So the potato I got did not dry, so I have to dry it out over there because it was kind of wet, so I had to dry it out. And the kitchen looks clean. I'm happy my kitchen looks clean. So hubby and baby girl were playing game, and I begged Oga to please come give me some massage because my back was aching me, guys. My back was aching me. And he was like, oh babe, okay. And this is what he's doing. He's just giving me some little TLC, guys. So yeah, so please keep on watching. Mia, are you not supposed to be doing your massage? Oh wait. Thank you, babe. But you know that while I'm filming it, you know it's going to Jeez. Mia, you are giving mama massage too? Eh? Thank you. They get free massage. Alright guys, if you have watched to this extent, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is nice. Turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Oh, motherhood is not easy. Mother and being a wife is not easy. So fam, we'll see you in our next video. Oh yeah, we should say bye-bye. Mia, say bye. Say bye. I'm also say bye. Babe, say bye-bye.